guy just pulled in with the flat tire on the S10. Alright guys, so we're gonna try to pry this back. Now that I've had time to think about it, I just possibly came to the realization that it's probably not a good idea what I did. Alright, but all I can do is just learn from this point on. So, we've got a bar. Holy cow, guys. Oh, alright, so it broke. But, hey, it looks better, don't you think? Look, you can tell that that looks better. See if I can. Well, I think it'd be easier to put this on if I, with that bend in the wheel, really. Oh, God. Oh. Oh. I have a feeling I should have just called John over here. So far the day has been full of really bad ideas. Now that I left the ignition on, the battery has died. We're just gonna have more issues today. This is just no fun. Wait for part 2. A car just pulled up over to John. Who might that be? guys. It's all about the ideas. So far, mine sucks today. Guys, don't do anything that I do. Okay, just don't do it. It's not safe. Dangerous, so I went and got me a hard hat. Now, boy, some crazy stuff going down today. It's been rough.
Okay. By the time I'm done, I'll probably have to get another shower. He's like, go there, whatever.
Oh, okay, let me see.
I was gonna bring my brown all over. Try to get, if you can, around in there. Watch your finger.
Yeah.
Your finger getter. Yeah. Right in there.
Okay.
Now it should slide a little better.
I hope.
You see, the problem is it's down too low. It needs to be up where it'll go under. But if we keep pushing on it, it might go. Better wait. Can you get my bar out?
Yeah, can you put a foot on this one?
That could hurt. You make them up and smack in the fucking forehead. Just work, yeah, work it up. Yeah, there you go. I'll bring it right by here and stick it in there. Do what you did the last time. We're gonna cross bars, but it'll go. Take, oh, whoa, you're pulling it off. The bar's coming out and I'm losing my grip.
Okay. Let me see if I can stick it right here.
See, we're just sliding now. That motherfucker don't want to go that way.
What if we take vice grips and put them on the bottom and start working from the top?
Because this will pop off if you take these off. Everything we got right now, if you take,
held down by it, yes.
Yeah. You can try. Yeah, I was gonna say you can try to start that way and work.
I made some progress there. Okay. Too much of a
Yep. I'm gonna like hold up the main.
Alright. Let me see if I can just have that in there somehow. Got it? Yeah. Holy cow, dude.
Come on, bitch, go on there. Come on. Now what we have to do is,
Do we need to move the vice grips?
no, we need to get that to go in
And past the bead.
past this where it's into the groove.
Can you hold this?
Yeah. I can't let my foot off of that. That mother. There it goes. Keep doing it. Yep. Goober it up good. It only goes to the river. I ain't worried about it. Come out of the ground, put it back in.
Shh. Okay.
I'm not a good person for YouTube videos.
Alright, so you think I can move it?
Take it right about here.
Okay, I'm pulling.
Okay. See where the bar, yeah, see where the bar's at? Is where the tire needs to be in that groove.
Yeah.
And it's almost there. I mean, we're getting there.
That's too much.
Too much. We'll get this baby on it. There you go. All right. Let me take. All right.
Just hold that one.
There we go. Come on, keep kicking. There we go. Thank God you're younger than me.
Oh, I don't want to be young.
I'll be laying on the ground, sucking wind by now. I'm standing here sucking wind. What are you talking about?
Let's see if I can.
Too much of a bite. Get a smaller bite.
Okay.
Unless you want to get a bigger one, and I got to hold these without flying everywhere. Yeah, it's going, but we need to get that last little bit on there. And that's the pain in the butt ski. Yeah, you should be able to pull that out. And I'll stick that right in the center of that and just stand on it. And I'm not going to be able to when you do the ether thing. Push down all your might. You got it. Come on, come on. Give me a little bit more of that vitamin, like my boss says. A little bit more. A little bit more.
Oh, man.
Okay.
Yeah.
Beer break.
Beer break.
Yeah, that's probably right in the picture too. Yeah. Drunk neighbor helps put tire on. That'll be on the.
Yeah. John is the best. Everybody knows that. Whew.
I act like I've done that once or twice before, didn't I?
Jeez. Yeah, probably more than once.
How you doing?
Good.
You good today?
Good.
Okay.
Dad, I'm going to get something to show you.
I gotta carry this back across the street now.
I can help you.
Hold on, wait a second. Yeah, it's under there. Just watch how you take it out. Pull it that way so it rolls out, so don't knock the bead back off.
There it goes. Oh, it might be.
But hold on. There you go. You'll be able to just yank it out of there now.
Oh, God.
There you go. Now,
Will this come up? Hey, I might be able to just air it up.
yeah, you should be able to, but if you take a ratchet strap, run it around and ratchet it down, but you gotta watch, because if you don't, you both right. I broke a million ratchet straps doing that.
Wow, I can't believe this. This has been a sucker all day long. Hey, I have one better tire now.
I gotta go somewhere and water a tire. Hey man, you gotta get rid of all this ragweed in your yard.
I know.
You know why?
Why?
I'm allergic to it.
Oh, you are?
Hell yeah, that's why I've been.
Well, I'm gonna scrap all these cars.
Make sure she don't come out here.
I'm gonna scrap all these cars and get rid of all of it. Nice car.